Hello, viewers. Welcome. A quick one on this. If s equals to sine theta, we are to evaluate s over the root of 1 minus sine x squared. Meaning, whenever I see x, I introduce the sine theta. So, if s is sine theta, then your s over the root of 1 minus x squared will become the sine theta over the root of 1 minus sine square theta by substitution. Where I see x, I put in sine theta. What will I do? Remember this by recall that if I have this is sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. That means that if I am looking for this, I subtract this. If I am looking for this, I subtract that. So cos square theta will be equals to 1 minus what? Sine square what? Theta. So I'm going to change this one here to become sine theta over the root of 1. Okay, then that one has been taken away to become cos square what? Theta. The square here is affecting the cos theta all along. So the square root can cancel that, and that will give us sine theta over cos theta. And remember what the ratio sine theta over cos theta is. That is just tan of the angle theta. So this is just what we are looking for, and that will be in the option B. I guess the question is clear. This is just to brainstorm on all that we have learned so far from the episode 1 to episode 19. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.